Hey everybody, welcome back to another importing video from the Import-Export people. My name's Alex Ryan. So I just want to share with you where I am right now because it's quite special. I'm here in Yangshu, which is we've just basically caught a flight from Shanghai. By the way, if you're looking to import anything like silk or pearls or anything like that, definitely go to Shanghai. There's a lot of suppliers there, and that's where it comes from. But wholesale, I went to wholesale pearl manufacturers and wholesale silk manufacturers, so silk bedding, silk sheets, silk pillowcases, that kind of thing. So there's a lot of it's based in Shanghai, very, very cheap and very profitable, especially to Western cultures and Western countries. So right now I've just taken a flight to Yangshu. I'm here for 2 days, and basically I met a supplier this morning for Yangshu, and basically let me just show you the atmosphere right here. You can see the limestone buildings out there. As you can see, that little mountains, little limestone ridges that are formed naturally over the last couple of thousand years. And basically, Yangshu is a great place also to find some supplies. There's only a small amount for supplies here, but there's still quite a few relative supplies here. The tip of the day, today's tip, is obviously in China, it's not all centrally located. So what I mean by that is, it's not as though if you go to like Guangzhou or the Canton Fair, they're not all based in that region. There's a lot of them around different regions, some in Beijing, some in Xi'an, some in Yangshu, and Shanghai. They're all located all around China. So regardless of whatever product you're importing, there's a good chance you might have to do a bit of traveling. So if you are going to do traveling, be prepared, get a translator, get a guide, someone to help you out. I made a video on this previously, but do be prepared to travel because they're not all centrally located in one region, okay? So that's my tip of the day. Do get help, get assistance, all right? If you need assistance from us, we can definitely help you. If you need assistance from, basically, if you want a guide or someone to translate, we can definitely help you there as well. So do contact us, all right? My name's Alex, and I'll talk to you real soon.